Hey, just real quick before we start the video, I am putting a sale on the Halloween sketchbooks that I have. This is a series of monster art and Halloween style art that I did. It's 24 pages of pure art that I've posted nowhere. It's really fun, and right now that is on sale on this channel only, okay? So the discount code when you type in is Halloween, and that's going to give you 25% off. I only have about, I think I have about a few of these left, so once these are gone, that's kind of it. So thank you so much. I appreciate all the support from everybody. Check it out.
Hey guys, what's up? How's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw another scary ghost. It's going to be cool and very different. So, if you love learning how to draw Halloween drawings, click the subscribe button right now. Click the bell notification as well. And stick around for the entire lesson, by the way. The whole lesson's only about 7 minutes, and you're going to learn how to draw something new at the end of it. Okay, so let's get going. All right. It's been a little broken. I go here. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the top of the head here. Down. Kind of like a pointed hat. Not too pointed, though. Alright. Gonna go up here. I have like the arm reaching out. Woo, woo. Pulling out here. Down. Here. Down. Like his arms are flailing out. Kind of here as well. In his wobbly version. And I'm going to pull down here. Pull back up. Pull back here. Still wobbly. Like streamers or something. Something like that. Like, it's got little streamers going down. Relatively simple shape. Obviously, this one you can change up the way you do it, but I want it to look like torn paper. Or torn paper and, you know, torn cloth in the wind. That's kind of what I want. Here, pulling in. Alright, so we have a general ghost shape right there. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to draw kind of like a water drip going that way to the right on this side. Same thing on the other side. It's going to be two sides there. And that's going to be my eyes for this one. I really want that to be a little bit different. So his eyes would normally be up here, but now I'm doing them in this area. And obviously these are just open, empty crevices. What I'm going to do here now is I'm going to pull line over here, line over here, and I want that's going to make my edge of the mouth, okay? Down here. Pulling a line across. Down. Down. Out here. And I'm going to draw zigzag teeth here. I'm going to draw a line around here for the edge of the mouth. Line here for the other edge of the mouth. Pulling down. Pulling down. Right here, right here, right here. Right here, right here, right here. Pulling the gums right there, where the teeth are bumping into the gums. I'm gonna put a shadow at the top over here, kind of underneath the lip, because it's gonna cause a type of shadow on the gums themselves. All right, line here, up here, up here. I'm gonna draw some dark over here on the bottom side of the gums as well. Any darkness will kind of give things more form and structure. This one looks more like a shark or something, or like a manta ray from underneath. Very strange. I'm gonna throw an extra torn here. I want it to make it look like I said, torn cloth. That's kind of like streamers or something, like you're flying a kite. That's mostly what I want to do. Curve over here, curve over here. And I'm gonna draw a thicker line on the outside border. Of the whole thing, just to kind of make it look a little bit more complete, because it is a really rather weird shape for a ghost. Line over here as well. Up, down, and that's it. Thank you so much. Don't forget the free gift I left in the description. There is free how to draw Halloween templates. Go check those out. I think that's the second link in the description. And go check out those books for sale. Pick one up. The art books, the Halloween art books. And thank you so much, and I will talk to you in the next video. I appreciate it. And I'll see you soon, okay? Stay spooky.